Wow, great
This
view.
is beautiful. What's that down the bottom there?
There's a swimming pool.
It's a swimming pool. It's like an ice rink.
Nice clean bed. As they say, sleep tight, mind the bugs don't bite. That's what you do, Dick. Hey! Yeah, nice comfy bed, mate.
I mean, there's cobwebs.
Yeah.
Maybe they're into spiders.
Have we got another spider in the corner? That's done there.
Enjoy your stay.
So, with inspections almost over, there's a hair apparent on Lady Megan's throne.
Here. Okay, what's my penny?
Alfie's splashing on the eau de toilette. And David and Kevin have cabin fever.
There's no TV board. There's scratch marks on the doors, and that's why people have been trying to get out.
Yeah.
The Black Downs boast miles of rolling wilderness. To celebrate the rural splendour of Ashcombe House, Judith and James are putting their guests to work in the great outdoors.
You probably realise that we have some livestock here. I thought that you might quite like to have a bit of a taste of it yourselves. The person who shows the most initiative and the greatest enthusiasm gets the largest slice of cake.
So, with the stakes set high, there's a quick draw of straws. And the B&Bers are assigned an animal.